Custom fields are going to capture information about a lead that is not going to change depending on where they are in a sales process. Where they came from, what industry they're in, what CRM they use, how big their company is. That data is going to live permanently in the bottom left of a lead profile. It's incredibly powerful for segmenting or reporting information on your leads or building smart views. Here's the really simple distinction for you, and that is custom activities capture data at a point in time. They're timestamped. They tell you what happened and when it happened. Demo was completed on March 7th. A sale was won on March 14th, whereas custom fields capture data about the lead itself. It's static. It's always there. The lead source is Facebook. The industry is SaaS. The company size is 50 employees. It doesn't change on whether they booked a demo or whether you closed a deal. My rule of thumb is that if the data happens during the sales process and has a date attached to it, it's probably a custom activity. If it's a characteristic of a lead that you want to segment on permanently, it's probably a custom field, and sometimes you put data in both places. Here's something that makes custom fields even more powerful for you, and that is Close CRM has a feature called AI Enrich. You set up a custom field, you write a guidance prompt telling the AI what to look for, and it will search the web and find the information to fill in that field automatically. It costs about 5 cents per enrich, so you can have Close automatically look up a company's LinkedIn URL, for example, classify their industry from a predefined list, or check if they have a careers page, which tells you that they're hiring. Maybe that is a signal that's important to your motion. Analyze their homepage to figure out their go-to-market motion. All of this can happen automatically with Close CRM AI Enrich on an individual leads level. You can turn it on automatically inside of the custom field, or you can hover over a lead when you're on a profile, click a button, and then it will go do the scraping for you. Every enrich field is actually going to give you a confidence indicator on how good it thinks it did. So green's going to be for high confidence, yellow's going to be for medium confidence, and red's going to be for low. And then when you actually hover over, you're going to see a reason as to why it gave the answer that it gave, which is pretty cool. The key to getting good data is going to be writing good guidance prompt inside of the custom field settings. I'll show you examples here on a screen share, and I'll go much deeper on AI Enrich in this course in a later video. Here's a tip that most Close CRM users miss entirely, and that is that if you bring application data into custom fields on the lead, Close's Explorer tab can do a much better job at mapping said information for you when you can break people down by their specific custom field, like mapping leads you get over time by a specific source, for example. But if you put that data inside of a custom activity, you can't get that same exact breakdown. So where you put your data matters. Sometimes you're putting it in both places. Custom fields live on the bottom left-hand side of a leads profile. If I scroll down on the left-hand side, I can see website information, LinkedIn URLs, Zoom links that are associated with a person. That way I can send automated messages with a person-specific Zoom link. I've got a lead owner over here. I've got their website URL. I've got a lot of stuff that I'm not worried about needing to move or place somewhere else. When I'm on this profile, it's always in the bottom left. It's so easy for me to find. I don't have to filter through everything on a lead profile, all the conversations, all the notes, all the meetings, all the tasks. I just got it here in the bottom left all the time. Some common custom fields that you're going to want to find yourself building might be something like a lead source, and you want to make that a drop-down single select. This way, not everyone is typing in different lead sources. They can all just type in and choose from the single select. Then your reporting is going to be a lot easier. Building your smart views is going to be a lot easier. Now, when I search lead source, there's my lead source, and I can do is any of, and I can select through one of those options. If I made this a text field, I would have to do is and type in the word Google. Now imagine if someone typed in Google and misspelled it, or typed in Facebook instead of Meta. Your reporting is going to be all over the place. It's very important that you make sure your custom fields are set up to be the right field type. So lead source is going to be a common one. LinkedIn URL is one that I like. If I'm doing a lead-based custom field where I'll then use AI Enrich, and I'll do something like analyze this closed CRM profile for name, email, phone number, website information, and find the matching LinkedIn profile associated with this lead. Boom. AI Enrich can now pull a LinkedIn URL for me, which I would want to put into a text field because it's going to be a URL. If you are going to use AI Enrich, you can actually use the workflow builder to bulk enroll a smart view into a workflow to get AI Enrich to update all custom fields for that lead in that smart view. If you're going to do that, just use it on a couple test leads first before you go spend the 5 cents per lookup to go do all that work for you. And make sure that it gives you a good signal on accurate data. That's custom fields. Simple concept, big impact, especially when combined with AI Enrich to fill them in automatically. We're in that era, baby. Sign up for Close CRM using my link down in the description that helps me support this channel. And I'll give you my sales rep onboarding guide completely for free, which you will not find on this channel. And if you want me to build your CRM for you, click the link down below. Give me your name, email, phone number. I'll send you a text. You tell me about your business. We'll see if we can do the tango together. Next video, we're going to talk about lead statuses and pipelines. This is where that 30,000 foot view and the 1,000 foot view from earlier are really going to start come together in the hierarchy. Click on it now.